So in this demo portal dashboard, here we can see the finance section, payroll management module. These are the finance related module: payroll, investment, pension, provident fund, research project, and etc. So first, we will go to the payroll management module. So here, this module is reflecting like dashboard of module is this like active financial year and count of salary paid and amount will reflect. There is all the employees based on their nature, employee nature, it will reflect here. Employee retirement uh, in January and recently what six upcoming 6 month employee will retire. It will reflect here, and this is department wise. OU wise means department wise. You can see the total number of employee and generated, verify, and stage wise salary. We can say. So this is the dashboard. So as a prerequisite of this module, you have to configure all the employees in employee management. We can say HRMS. This is the employee service module where you will configure all the employees and employees profile. If, any time of requirement to update profile section, so you will have access of employee admin and you will need to update their all detail like their name, designation, department. In case employee is newly added, you will add in this section. In case employee is retired, so then you will handle through this module. So this is a link with payroll management module. Then if you will click here all employee section, these are the steps like payroll active section will reflect, depart section will reflect, payroll not configured will reflect, retired section will reflect. So first, in this meeting, I will show you few configuration things and bulk sheet, bulk data sheet, and generation of salary. Just 4 or 3 steps because it is very long module. So first, our motive should be implement to the module, payroll module. Then we will go for one by one steps. Here, before starting the module, if you upload the employee, then you need to go to the settings part. In the settings part, there are few settings. First setting is financial cycle. You will click here and just update the financial cycle by clicking up right up top of and choose the financial cycle like 25-26 starting month, ending month, and this is the number of increment that will be the one. If we all know that in a year employees go to the number of one time increment, so there is a one time increment and this is requirement at the time of increment, not the generation of salary. So we will write here one increment duration yearly, increment spam, that is July and January, which is usually happen. Increment percentage is almost 3%. It will not affect because this is payroll. This will reflect from payroll matrix. So that is based on you that you can write here increment percentage almost 3, effective date and description, and just update it. So financial cycle is required, uh, basically your financial year is starting and in month. These are the information which is required to the increment side, but that is required to fill here only. Then there is payment category. So payment category, I will just open a, this is the pay matrix actually. So I will the process of configuring its pay matrix is different, but at least payment category we can configure. These are the payment category like 5,200 to 20,200. This one and these are all the category. So it is pre-configured, but you can configure from your side. You can configure. You can check if it is incorrect. You can update here by clicking update button. So all payment category is mandatory to configure. Then there is grade pay. So grade pay, if all the employees in the seventh pay commission, that then you will skip this grade pay pattern. Otherwise, you can uh, configure the grade pay based on their payment category. So level is important because all the seventh pay commission employee is based on their salary is based on a level base. So all the level you need to configure level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We will provide you at least configured label, but you need to configure from your side, or you need to check that all the labels are correct or not. So this is up to you. There is a option that update and view button. So everywhere there is an option for add or update or view button to so that you can that you can add a record or you can update the existing record. Then pay matrix. So this is the pay matrix. This pay matrix is required at the time of increment. So that okay. So this is the pay matrix. The same pay matrix you can configure in our system. And if you suggest that this pay matrix is correct, then we will provide you uh, from our side that it can be uploaded from our side and you can use this. Otherwise, there is an option that you can use bulk upload option, download the Excel sheet and upload this data in this format as a pay matrix. And this pay matrix is required at the time of increment. There is no need to this pay matrix at the time of salary generation. Okay, this one is important. So so from till finance cycle, payment category, their label and payroll entries. Payroll entries is there are basically all the basics payroll entry like salary head name like basic, grade paid, DA, TA, HRA, DA on TA, CPF, GPF, NPS, doctor, income tax. These are the salary head is available in our system that there is no required to add. In case you need to add more salary head, which may be very in deduction part, you can add by clicking add here button. Just use the deduction or earning part. Whatever you want to add, you just click on add entry button. Just select this one and write the name of the salary head. For example, electricity bill, festival advance, and just add it. This is one time configurable, so it will be used for all employees. So almost all the earning and deduction head is available here. If you is required to add, then you can add. Otherwise, if you want to change their name, there is an option in right side. There's just the update option. Just click on it, update option, and update it. Then there is a salary structure templates. So this is the important. So once you will create the label, based on label, you will add all the salary structure template name. For example, teaching salary structure template on the teaching based on their label, teaching level 10, teaching level 11, teaching level 12, all the categories salary structure template will be added here. For these configuration, me or my colleague Arun will provide you a separate workshop. Today is just a session where I will explain these things, that this is how it is linked with our payroll process. So template means particular template you will create for permanent teaching, permanent non-teaching, permanent teaching, level 10, level 11, or level 14. And this template, there is earning and deduction rule. So all the earning and deduction rule you can define, and it will be automatically mapped through the system, through the employee's salary. And once you will go to the generate salary, it will automatically generate. If you want to change any formula in this template, there is an option for add and for update. If you want to add new salary structure template, there is an option add new salary structure template. Click on any type of nature, just choose the cadre and just write the name and map the label, which label you want to create the template. For example, if in your university there are 100 employee in on label 10, and uh, uh, they are in non-teaching and permanent employee, so just create a similar template and map all the 100 employee who is on label 10. This is basically requirement of template. And creating of this template, we will provide you. If you want to create, you can create. Otherwise, you need to just check all the templates. System wide changes will help you to update DA percentage in at a time when it is required to update from at a time that when government announced that DA has been increased for all employees. So just update their DA percentage here and override for all employees by clicking this button. It will automatically update all the employees DA percentage. Then there is a group management feature which is very important. Group management features means you can create a group and you can assign the group to the any administrative authority and map all the employees to the related or concerned authority. So what features will provide you here that that administrative authority can process salary of their assigned employees. So this will help you. Either you can process department wise salary, or you can process campuses wise salary, or you can process in a salary section different. If you have different billing assistant, you can particular assign their role and create a group, and they will process their salary which is assigned to him, like teaching and non-teaching. For example, if dealing assistant A is assigned for teaching, then map all the teaching employee to the A, and he will generate only teaching salary, not non-teaching salary. So group provide you a benefit like this. And by creating group, we will help you in a workshop if it is required. A payroll admin, you can process the salary. Then there are several features settings here, which is control part. As an admin can configure, allow, not allow, like automatic income tax calculation. If you want to allow, system will calculate your income tax. So based on their slabs, based on their declaration, system will calculate the income tax. And whatever the income tax has been provided till now, you can upload it, and system will calculate the remaining tax. So this will be helpful to you as when you require. So almost these are the things which is required to setting pre-setting for the process of salary, and remaining these are the features which I will help you. Otherwise, there is a bulk upload system. So this bulk upload features will provide you a template, Excel template, where you will add the data and upload all the configuration detail in the portal. Similarly, there is a salary detail template which will help you to upload all the salary details. So salary configuration data, if I show you, first configuration is required for all employees ID. You will mention their bank ID, their bank name, their branch, their IFSC code, their active pay commission like seventh pay or sixth pay. Payment ID you will mention. Grade pay I will you will skip in the case of seventh pay commission. You will mention their label name like label one, label two, or basic amount you will mention here. Ledger number you will skip if you don't have. Otherwise, just mention their ledger number. Pay matrix cell you can uh, write here pay matrix cell if you require. Otherwise, it can also be uploaded in later on. But the mandatory in red color you can see here. It is mandatory, so you will mention these mandatory fields. Category wise X Y Z, in which category you are going to configure the salary. PFMS ID, you will provide here PFMS ID if you required PFMS portal reports for PFMS portal report, then you will mention, otherwise you can skip. So employee, in case any employee is doctor, then you will write here yes, and their if you write here yes, their NPA will be calculated. Otherwise, you will write here no. All the employee has either NPS or GPF. In case NPS, you will mention NPS or NPS PAN number. In case they have GPF, you will mention their GPF number. Then PF beneficiary name, you will mention uh, employee name as well, or relation as self, or any beneficiary further you will mention. Payroll status should be active, and effective date should be the same date, or the creating date. So these are the important configuration in this Excel sheet. You will mention all the employee. For example, if you have 1,000 employee, then you will just prepare this Excel sheet along with 1,000 employee, along with the employee ID name. and their detail, and then there is a proceed button to upload it. Do not share with us, just prepare the detail and inform with us. We will schedule a workshop session, and then after we will upload it, because uh, data, if you are preparing somewhere, it may be incorrect, so we will help you to find out incorrect data, and then we will go to the upload section. Once you will upload the data, then there is salary data. So just keep as a 1 month salary data, current month salary data. For example, December month or January month, or this their complete earning and deduction with employee ID. Then we will upload it, and then after we will go to the generate salary and generate it. So this is the way that that you can upload the configuration, and you can upload the salary data for next month preparation of and for next month of generation of salary. And there is one more benefit of this sheet. This sheet will help you to upload your previous salary detail. Previous month salary detail means if you want to upload salary detail for the current financial year, you can use this sheet directly to the upload data. Just mention the employee ID, name. This employee ID should be the same which is mentioned in the employee in the HRMS module, and then their detail, their name, financial year, gross, net, basic, TAD, HRA, and all the deduction. There may be the a few more uh, earning head is reflecting here, so you can delete. Just keep those earning and deduction head which is related to you. Otherwise, you can delete it. If there is not matching any head, you can create from your side. Like there is there any salary head, you can create it in the Excel field, and at the time of upload, we will help you that how it will be mapped to the R system. So you can upload from your previous data. Otherwise, we will go for at least 1 month salary data. You will just keep it from teaching or non-teaching or both. Then we will upload it, and we will generate the salary for the month of January. So here, once you will upload the data, it will reflect on the payroll active list. Okay. So payroll active means, if you see here, 31 employees showing that the 31 employee salary you can process in the generate salary through the generate salary. Debarred means something has been stopped by the admin, like in case of any suspense, or in case of any reason, you can shift it in a debarred section. Payroll not configured. Payroll not configured means you have not uploaded or you have not configured the employee uh, salary detail and their configuration detail. And those employee who is retired, it will reflect on the employee. So there is a bulk way that you can upload sheet. Otherwise, there is a single there is a individual way. Like first time when you open the portal, it will reflect on payroll not configured list in this employee. So you will click here. Now I am showing you individual configuration of employee. Okay. For example, this employee, for example, this employee's account number I will mention here as a random detail, bank code, branch name. You can skip this CPIS ID if you don't have. Yes, I say account number. That this should be mentioned, like pay commission detail, active pay commission, pay band, their label, pay matrix cell. You can skip. If the detail will be uploaded, it will reflect. Otherwise, you can skip. You can mention their basic salary here. The same detail which is in mentioned in Excel sheet, it is required to fill here. Date of increment you can mention here. University doctor, NPS detail, NPS PRAN number, effective date, and I can just save it. So once I will save it, You can see their salary structure is showing. So this is showing rule not configured means I will create their salary structure template is teaching permanent and level 9. So that's why it is not showing. I will just select here. So we can see from the template it is reflecting basic DA, TA, HRA, DA on TA, NPS. So it will be assigned to this employee. In the bulk way, system will automatically assign when you create the template. Now, if you want to add any other salary head, you can add. This is the one-time entry for the same month or one-time entry month. It will exist for the same month, not for the next month. This is the recurring data. So payroll entries is existing for every upcoming month. But the one time means you can add for any deduction or any recovery or any other thing which will be added in one time. Now I will go to the generate because the employee has been active. You can see this employee listing is inactive. Now generate salary part. You will click on this generate salary button and you can generate the salary. This is the bulk way for generating of salary. Just click on this check box and generate bulk salary. So system will generate the bulk salary and you can download the Excel sheet. You can verify and you can further move it to the approved salary. Otherwise, in a single for a single employee, there is an option that you will create on this employee. You can see their basic DA is calculated, their NPS is calculated, all other entries will be reflected. You can see here basic DA is formula based, so you can create your formula. These are the formula tag. Transport allowance. I will mention here transport allowance to the employees. You can see TA is reflecting. Now TA will reflect DA on TA, dearness allowance. In if in case you want to add more salary head, you can add here, add salary head, earning, choose the any entry name and add here. Similarly, you can see the NPS value basic plus DA that is 0.10% and their contribution basic plus DA 0.14% and then their date beginning date and start date should be same, should be configured correctly. You can see NPS detail is reflecting here. Similarly, if you want to add income tax or any other, there is an option. You will select your deduction, income tax, add your income tax, mode is recurring, add the end date and active date, and then save it. So you can see income tax is showing this. This is the gross deduction total earning pay from. You can add here total number of date. You can also add remarks and generate it. So salary is generated. You can see here salary is generated. This is the information like total gross earning. You can see here generated salary. In the same system will provide you tax detail if you allow tax to the system automatically. So here generate salary part, you can see their earning and deduction part. Then there is an option to verify it. Verify, finalize. You can generate number of times salary if it is not finally approved. Approve. So once salary will be approved, there is the payslip is available to the employee portal and admin as well. Admin can also check the salary slip. Admin can also send the salary slip on the email ID in the report section. Payslip. So this will be the salary format, payslip format, their university name and their logo, their personal information, earning deduction, and this is the information. There is an option that this salary you can send uh, to the employee email ID, which is already configured in HRMS. Just click on this checkbox and compose this mail as an admin. Otherwise, employee can see this salary slip on his uh, employee login. I will show you. So this is the employee login. Employee can see on his dashboard salary slip once salary will be approved by the admin. Can download from his dashboard. Now there is a part of income tax. So employee can declare their income tax through this section. He will click on declaration part and he will choose the option of declaration and slab and he will submit it. He can also upload the supported document. Admin can check and admin can edit anything in this taxation part and then after finally submit by the admin and system will calculate their taxes and taxes report in the single sheet report. Employee can check their taxes. You can see system will show you complete salary draw into the employee's account and their declaration part, their taxation part, their exemption, and all the tax is incorporated in this module. So tax is calculated based on employees' option like new old slab or new slab, and monthly tax deduction will reflect on the system. So total tax, their surcharge, their all the deduction, all the ATC and section 80, ATCCD, whatever the type of deduction will be required. It system will calculate and it will show you the monthly tax, remaining tax, and if he had paid other tax or other taxable payments, you can add. So there is a taxation part, and if the employee, if you want, if you have paid any kind of other taxable payment, you can upload it or you can add in this system in other taxable part, other taxable. So, for example, this employee is getting in January month uh, area or any like this one, child education allowances. So you can just mention their bill number, diary number, remarks, their net pay, and their bill date. If paid any tax, you will just mention it. System will automatically adjust their taxation in this uh, yearly gross income. Then there are part of loan and advance features. There are leave salary component, like you can connect with leave module if you are using leave or leave module. There are area parts, fixation part, fixation area. You can calculate DA area, you can calculate increments, and you can fetch reports is available in the in the Excel format. Comparison report are available. Reports are available in the PDF format. Bank report, or uh, we can see department wise reports. There are some reports I will show you. You can see with this type of report you can fetch like their headings and their name, employee's name, their label, and their earning, deduction, contribution, and summary. In the last page, there are complete summary reports. You can download it. You can download all the taxation report. So whenever is required, just or in the workshop, next workshop session, we will help you. First, we will focus that you can upload your configuration detail or employee configuration detail, and process at least 1 month salary. We will match the salary with your existing system or with your existing pay bills, and then after we will go for next step for taxation, then other payment area and other features.
Okay, Vivek.
Yes.
So we have ready employee data in summer system. We have 1,005 employee data which is already available there. Today we are importing remaining employees data in the system. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
we'll close this task by today evening, max today
Hmm.
evening. Then for salary, Mr. Sachin is also in this call. So he already provided salary data of all teaching, non-teaching, permanent, or temporary employees with us for December month. So we will take that
Okay.
data.
Hmm.
We will take that data and
Hmm.
process in the system. So we will compare the December salary with our data and system generated data. Once this confirm, we will move ahead.
Sure, sure. So there is required two format. Just prepare the in two format data. First one, salary configuration data. So you can download.
Okay.
Just provide a payroll admin road. Go to the setting and bulk upload here. If I'm just sharing again.
Please show. Huh?
Yeah, yeah. So when you provide the payroll admin role, first provide payroll admin role to the administrative role. Go to the finance section. Okay. In the finance section, payroll module is here. Click on payroll module. Simple, go to the settings part, setting, and bulk upload management. Okay. So
Okay.
here, first one, bulk salary configuration data is required to download the format and prepare this data.
Okay.
Okay.
So
This
I'll
data is
share. Okay. So
easy. I will again repeat it. Just mention the employee ID. I I think everyone has employee ID. Bank name.
yes.
Okay. Sorry, bank account number, bank name, branch name, active pay commission. Just mention this active pay commission like seventh pay or sixth pay. Just copy paste here. That is nothing else. Copy paste payment. This is the payment which I show you bounce of like 20,200. It is like same. We can check before the upload the system. Grade pay, I think there is no need if the employee is on the 7th pay. Level ID. So level ID, level 10. For example, level 10, level 2. Their basic salary, you will mention their basic salary. Okay, just skip the legend number if you don't have pay matrix. City category, you will mention city category XYZ. I think Mumbai is
A,
XZ. Yes, sir. PFMS ID, just ABC or XYZ you can mention. PFMS ID, if you use PFMS portal or PFMS sheet, you will mention, otherwise skip this part. University doctor, in case employee is doctor, not their suffix is doctor, sorry, prefix is doctor, just name, just employee is by profession doctor, then you will mention yes, otherwise you will mention no. Okay.
okay,
PF subscription is like employee is getting NPS, then you will mention NPS and their PRAN number. If employee is getting GPF, then GPF and their GPF number. Okay. Beneficiary, you can mention the same name, employee name. Relation will be self. Payroll status should be active, and date you can mention for current date. Okay. So
okay,
this way you will prepare all the employees configuration data, and along with this, you will keep at least 1 month salary data. As you are saying that December month salary data, in that
yes,
sheet, employee ID should be mentioned. That is
yes,
important.
yes, it is there, it is there.
Yeah.
So,
Both two sheet is required. Then after there is easy, we will uh, sit on next workshop session. Actually, this month is tightly scheduled with Jharkhand and Uttarakhand University. But on your request, I had just schedule a meeting. So just
yeah,
keep it with you, and update also your employee. That
yes,
employee's information should be correct. Otherwise, their salary slip may be incorrect, or any other thing will remain incorrect. That will not be good. Okay. So
okay,
employees, what you will update the employees name, designation, department, their date of joining, their date of birth, and their retirement, date of retirement. I will just mention in chat. Okay, it will be easy to update you, sir. Okay, employees profile, that will be name, department, date of birth, date of joining, date of superannuation. Superannuation, their accommodation status. Accommodation status should be yes or no. Then then PWD, in case this employees PWD, then their TA will be double.
मीटिंग चालू आहे, झालं.
Okay, so this is the actually basic information. All information is important for employee purpose, but these are the basic information which should be update, and all employees should be uploaded. Then there is salary configuration sheet. Okay, sir.
ओके, ओके. सो सचिन, सचिन, तुम्हाला आवाज येतोय माझा?
हा, येतोय आवाज.
ओके. तर
हा.
याचा जो डेटा आहे ना सॅलरी कॉन्फिगरेशनचा, तर
हा,
ते
हा.
शीट जे आहे ना मी तुम्हाला शेअर करतो. तर
हम्म.
तेवढे एक शीट बनवून द्या. म्हणजे आपल्याकडे दोन गोष्टी रेडी आहेत. आता आपला ऑल एम्प्लॉयचा डेटा पण आहे आपल्याकडे, आणि डिसेंबरचा सॅलरी डेटा दिलेलाच आहे तुम्ही ऑलरेडी.
हा, बरोबर.
बरोबर आहे. तर आपण ते सॅलरी कॉन्फिगरेशनचा एक डेटा प्रिपेअर करू, आणि यांना मग आपण हे घेऊ, वर्कशॉपसाठी घेऊ. मग तिथनं आपण पूर्ण प्रोसेस करून पावते. एकदा ह्या सायकल झाली तर मग आपल्याला पुढचे जाता येईल इन्कम टॅक्स वगैरे सगळ्यात प्रोसेसला.
मग आता डेटा तर तुम्ही देणार आहे, शीट देणार आहे का?
हा, मी तुम्हाला एक सॅम्पल एक्सेल शीट देतो. सॅलरी
हा.
कॉन्फिगरेशन डेटा आता त्यांनी समजून सांगितलं ना आपल्याला विवेकनं.
हा.
तर त्याप्रमाणे तो फक्त एकदा बनवून द्या मला तेवढी फाईल. या 3 रेडी झाले की
हा.
आपण परत कनेक्ट करू विवेकशी. विवेक,
हाँ म्हणजे
ये सर।
आता करायचं आहे.
हाँ एक वर्कशॉप के लिए आप बताओ तो उससे पहले हम रेडी हो जाते हैं।
सर अभी आपके पास टाइम है सर, एक हफ्ते मान लीजिए, क्योंकि मैं शायद हमारा जो शेड्यूल है इस पूरे मंथ में बहुत ही पैक है सर। तो
अच्छा
मैं फेब के फर्स्ट वीक में आई विल शेड्यूल वर्कशॉप, डिटेल वर्कशॉप, और उसमें मैं आपका डेटा अपलोड कराऊंगा और एटलीस्ट कम से कम 2 एम्प्लॉय की सैलरी में, एक टीचिंग इन नॉन टीचिंग की सैलरी में बता दूंगा कि कैसे प्रोसेस करना है।
ठीक है, तो उससे पहले हम ये डेटा प्रिपेयर करके रखते हैं। 2 तो है रेडी, मैं सैलरी कैलकुलेशन का भी बना के रखता हूँ।
जी जी
तो आप मुझे इन्फॉर्म करो, उससे पहले सब रेडी रहेगा मेरे पास।
जी जी जी, ठीक है, आई विल सेंड यू मेल सर।
हाँ सचिन, तुम्ही काय म्हणत होता?
नाही नाही, तुम्ही पाठवणार आहे ना ती शीट, बघूया मग
हो
तुम्ही
मी
पाठवाल तेव्हा म्हणजे काय असेल तर तुम्हाला विचारेन मग.
चालेल चालेल, काय अडचण असेल
हो
तर विचारा
आम्ही
मला,
आहेत
आपण
सगळे,
सांगतो.
प्रवीण आहे, कुमार आहे, आम्ही आहे.
चालेल
हं?
चालेल चालेल,
हो
आपलं
सर.
सगळ्यांचंच काम सोपं होईल असं बघू आपण हे.
हो
आणि
हो हो.
हा, कारण याच्यात सॅलरी स्लिप ऑटोमॅटिक जाते, एम्प्लॉय लॉग इनला
हो
इन्कम
ते
टॅक्स
तर आहे.
डिडक्शन ऑटोमॅटिकली होत आहेत.
हो.
त्यानंतर त्याचं मेंटेनन्स होत आहे प्रॉपरली, तर आपण शक्यतो लवकर करण्याचा प्रयत्न करूया.
बाकी अकाउंट डिटेल वगैरे कसे आमच्याकडे ना सर, फक्त डायरेक्ट अकाउंट आहेत ते, म्हणजे त्यांचे IFSC कोड वगैरे टाकल्यावर आपोआप होतील की आम्हाला घ्यायला लागतील?
बँक डिटेल्स आपल्याकडे ऑटोमॅटिक नाही येणार, आपल्याला टाकावं लागतील तिथे.
हा, कारण ते ना पहिले जुने घेतलेले आहेत ना, म्हणजे आता IFSC कोड वगैरे आमच्याकडे नाही. कसं ते आपण डायरेक्ट बँकेला मेल करतो ना,
हा
त्यामुळे
हा,
ते कोर
नाही
बँकिंग मध्ये
मग
वगैरे होऊन जातं.
हा नाही, तुम्ही ते बँकेला जे पाठवता ना त्याची पण
हम्म.
कॉपी द्या, आपण तो याच्यातून डेटा काढता येतो, बँकेचा डेटा मिळतो आपल्याला याचा. हा,
हम्म.
तर त्याच्यातून लूप करून घेऊ आपण तो.
ठीक आहे ठीक आहे.
चालेल. योगिनी मॅडम,
चालेल.
तुम्हाला काही
हॅलो हॅलो
सांगायचं आहे का?
हॅलो. नाही सर, खूप छान आहे. म्हणजे विशेष काही नाही, आता मी बघितलं सगळं.
हा
खूप
हा,
छान आहे. म्हणजे जर परफेक्टली आपण फॉलो केलं ना, तर गोष्टी खूप सोप्या होऊन जातील.
सोप्या होतील.
फक्त
हो.
सगळ्यात पहिला टास्क आहे तो म्हणजे सगळा डेटा करेक्टली फीड करणं
करेक्ट करेक्ट.
स्टाफचा. म्हणजे एकदा का
स्टाफचा
टीचिंग
मी
नॉन
टाकतो आज.
टीचिंगची माहिती.
मी
हा हा हा.
मी आज डेटा अपडेट करून घेतो स्टाफचा, आणि पॅरलल मग
ओके
सचिनकडे सॅलरीचा कॉन्फिगरेशन करून घ्या आपण. आपल्याकडे सॅलरी डेटा आहेच
ओके
आहे. जाऊ पुढे.
ओके. मला कारण वाटलेलं की HRDC कडनं आता डेटा घ्यायला लागेल आम्हाला
नाही नाही,
सगळा
दिलाय
अपडेट
त्यांनी.
करायला.
नाही नाही, ऑलरेडी
अच्छा,
दिलेलं आहे
दिलाय
त्यांनी सगळं.
ऑलरेडी.
हा, ऑलरेडी जमा
ओके
केलं.
ओके ओके. ग्रेट ग्रेट. मग तर काही प्रश्नच नाही. आमच्याकडचे डिटेल्स आम्ही पण देऊ लगेच तुम्हाला.
चालतंय चालतंय.
चालेल. आहे, खूप छान आहे सर. करू आपण. म्हणजे निदान
ठीक आहे ठीक आहे.
ट्रायल बेसिसवर पहिलं तरी मिशन सक्सेसफुल करू.
हो, 1 महिन्याची कंपेअर झाली, मग पुढच्या तिथून काढू आपण.
येस, पुढचं मग तिथून काढता येईल. चालेल
चालेल
चालेल.
चालेल.
येस. ओके सर. ओके.
ठीक है
थँक यू.
विवेक, हम कंक्लूड करते हैं।
जी सर।
हाँ हाँ हाँ, टीम मेरे है, कोऑपरेट करेगी पूरा, तो हम पूरा इससे चले जाएंगे आप सैलरी के लिए।
जी जी सर जी।
और एक एक रहेगा मेरा डाउट, मेरे यहाँ पे एक प्रोसेस चलता है जिसमें एम्प्लॉयज की अटेंडेंस मैनुअल भेजी जाती है, और वो मैनुअल अटेंडेंस के ऊपर सैलरी कैलकुलेट की जाती है उधर। तो
वो है,
हमने,
वो तो हाँ, वो है हमारे पास। वो अटेंडेंस
ठीक
शीट
है,
आप यहाँ से, अटेंडेंस शीट आप यहाँ से ऐड कर सकते हैं।
ओके,
सर
लीव में हमने इंटीग्रेट
बोलो.
किया उसे।
हाँ,
हॅलो.
कोई नहीं, आप अटेंडेंस शीट के लिए ऑप्शन है सर, नंबर ऑफ
ओके
वर्किंग डेज करके एक शीट है। आप
ओके
इसको
ओके,
यहाँ पे एम्प्लॉय का जिनका, जैसे मान लीजिए कि सबका नहीं डालना है, जिनका डिस्टर्ब है, यानी कि मान लीजिए 2 दिन की सैलरी कटनी है, 28 दिन की
हम्म।
बननी है 30 दिन में, तो आपको 28 डालना है, ठीक है,
अच्छा अच्छा
बाकी
अच्छा,
किसी का नहीं चुना। तो बस उन्हीं का अटेंडेंस डालना है जिनका अटेंडेंस में उस कुछ डिफरेंस है।
ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है।
वो शीट
हेलो
भी है
सर.
हमारे पास।
हेलो.
जी हेलो।
हाँ, हमारे इधर कैसा है, 2 टाइप में है, मतलब परमानेंट जो एम्प्लॉय है ना उनका सैलरी मंथ होने के पहले निकलता है, इसलिए लास्ट मंथ का स्टाफ चेंजेस देख के हम करते हैं उसका।
हम्म।
और टेम्पररी का कैसा, उनका 7 को होता है, मतलब उनका सेम मंथ का ही होता है पर नेक्स्ट मंथ में होता है, तो उसमें हमको डेज डालना पड़ता है, मतलब जिसका 29 है उसका 29, 31 है 31, 38 30 ऐसा है, मतलब वो तो 900 के आसपास है वो लोग, उनका वो मैन्युअली फीडिंग करना पड़ता है।
कोई नहीं, वो भी कर लेंगे सर, पहले
ये ऑटोमेटिक
परमानेंट
हो
वाला
जाएगा
कर
यहाँ
लेते।
से, वो
हाँ
ऑटोमेटिक हो जाएगा इधर।
ठीक।
ठीक है, तो करते हैं हम कंक्लूड।
जी सर, ठीक है।
ओके, थँक्यू
Thank you.
सॅलरी मधली सगळी टीम।
हो सर, सर
थँक्यू.
एकदा भेटूया आपण.
थँक्यू जेंडे सर,
हा.
आम्ही थँक्यू तुम्हाला.
थँक्यू सर.
नाही, आपण करूया
म्हणजे
सगळं नंतर.
आम्हाला हे होण्यासाठी खरंच म्हणजे
हा.
तुमची खूप मदत होते. करू आपण हे व्यवस्थित.
हा.
येस येस येस. ओके, थँक्यू सर, थँक्यू. बाय
चालेल.
बाय.
थँक्यू सो मच.
संपलं. परत काय काय आहे अजून? पहिला तेच दिलंय ना, तसंच आहे ना हे.